Prime Day Sale in October 2025, introducing the 7 best deals for gamers at great prices on Amazon. Let's start at the bottom of our list with the Logitech M185. This little mouse is a basic, no-frills option. It's the kind of device you might grab for simple tasks, but it's not exactly built with gamers in mind. It does have some positives. It's small, super easy to set up, and the battery life can last up to a year. For casual browsing or office work, it's reliable and gets the job done without fuss. But compared to gaming-focused mice, it's lacking. The DPI is low at just 1000, there are no extra buttons for macros, and it doesn't feature any advanced sensors or adjustable sensitivity. If you're a serious gamer, you're going to notice these limitations fast. This is a great option if you're building a budget setup, need a travel mouse, or just want something simple. But if gaming performance is your top priority, you'll definitely want to keep watching for the higher ranked options. And by the way, links to all the products I'm mentioning today at the best prices are right below in the description. Next up is the NexiGo N60 webcam. This one climbs a step above the M185 because it's focused on video and streaming, which matters a lot for gamers who broadcast on Twitch or YouTube. It gives you full HD at 30 frames per second, a super wide field of view at 110 degrees, and even comes with a privacy cover, which is a nice touch for anyone who wants to keep their camera covered when it's not in use. The downside, the fixed focus can be blurry if you're not at the ideal distance, and its low light performance isn't great. The built-in mic is also pretty basic, so serious streamers will probably need a dedicated microphone. If you're starting out with streaming or need a simple plug-and-play webcam for your setup, it's a good pick. And hey, if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss our next reviews. Moving into more serious gear, we've got the Logitech K270 wireless keyboard. It's not a gaming keyboard per se, but it's reliable, full size, and has a reputation for long battery life up to 2 years on just 2 AAA batteries. You get 8 multimedia hotkeys, a spill-resistant design, and a layout that's comfortable for long typing sessions. It's great for everyday use and light gaming, but compared to mechanical or gaming keyboards, it doesn't quite stack up. The membrane keys aren't as responsive, there's no backlighting or RGB, and it lacks the fast actuation that serious gamers crave. This is a good fit for someone who wants an affordable, sturdy keyboard for mixed work and play. If you're a casual gamer or need a secondary keyboard, the K270 is a solid choice. Now we're stepping into the streaming world with the Maono PD100XS microphone. This one is designed for gamers and streamers who want clear audio and a sleek look. The big selling point here is its dual connectivity. You can plug it directly into your PC via USB or run it through an XLR setup for more professional sound. It even includes a boom arm and RGB lighting you can customize. The only catch is that in XLR mode, you lose the lighting and some software features, and its frequency response tops out a little lower than some high-end broadcast mics. Still, for the price and flexibility, it's a great package. If you're serious about streaming or podcasting but don't want to break the bank, this microphone gives you a lot of bang for your buck. Climbing further up the list, the Razer Black Shark V2X headset is a favorite among gamers who want immersive audio without spending a fortune. It's lightweight, super comfortable for long sessions, and delivers solid sound quality with its 50mm drivers and virtual 7.1 surround on Windows. The microphone is also one of the best at this price point for clear in-game comms. Its downsides, the mic and cable aren't detachable, and you don't get full software customization like higher-end Razer models. Sound quality is good, but not on par with premium headsets. For anyone who spends hours gaming or streaming and wants a reliable headset with great mic quality, the Black Shark V2X is a very strong contender. Now we're into serious high-performance territory with the AMD Ryzen 9 7900X processor. This is a powerhouse CPU for gamers who also do heavy multitasking or content creation. It's got 12 cores and 24 threads, blazing fast boost speeds up to 5.6 GHz, and it even has integrated graphics for basic display output, which is rare in chips this powerful. It's built for the future with DDR5 memory and PCIe 5 support. The downsides are mostly cost-related. It doesn't come with a cooler, it runs hot under load, and you'll need an AM5 motherboard and DDR5 memory, which can add up fast. If you're building a high-end gaming or streaming PC, this CPU will handle anything you throw at it, from AAA gaming to video editing and rendering. And finally, at the top of our list is the Asus TUF RTX 5080 016G graphics card. This is the ultimate piece of gaming hardware right now. With 16GB of super fast GDDR7 memory, a factory overclock to 2640 MHz, and support for the latest PCIe 5, it's built for 4K and beyond. The TUF series cooling system keeps it running stable even under heavy load. It is of course expensive and requires a powerful power supply and a large case to fit it. But if you're after next generation gaming performance, this is where it's at. For hardcore gamers or content creators who want the absolute best performance and future-proofing, this card is a dream. If you want to check out any of these products, I've left links to all of them in the description below so you can find the best prices. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth guides on the latest gaming gear.